Welcome to ADTEK Electronics. With over 35 years of experience in manufacturing high-quality power meters, we are proud to offer innovative solutions, all proudly made in Taiwan. Among our product offerings are the multi-circuit power meters, including the AEM-DRB Series, the AEM-DRK Series, and the AEM-DR Series. Our multi-circuits power meters are indispensable for efficient energy monitoring in diverse environments like data centers, government housing projects, factories, green buildings, schools, hospitals, and shopping centers. These applications often face critical challenges, like energy inefficiency, difficulty tracking consumption across multiple circuits, and the need for real-time data to optimize energy use and cost. To address these challenges, our AEM-DRB power meter offers advanced features. It simplifies energy management and ensures you're always in control. ADTEK's AEM-DRB has proven its value in real-world applications. In data centers, it ensures consistent energy performance, helping manage server loads efficiently and prevent downtime. In airports, it supports seamless operations by monitoring energy across complex systems and ensuring reliability in critical infrastructure. For commercial establishments such as retail chains, it optimizes energy consumption across multiple locations, reducing operational costs while maintaining a consistent energy supply. In factories, it enhances production efficiency by providing precise energy data, ensuring equipment operates within optimal parameters, and identifying areas for energy savings.